Mukoma waPassion Java, Apostle Batsirai Java, vari kutsvakwa namapurisa musure charges treason ari kunzi aitokurudzira a military overthrow of President Emmerson Mnangagwa. Zviri kubuda zvakare kuti nyaya dzake dziri associated neaudio recording yakamboitwa kumasure uko. Welcome back to channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Muchiri kuiziva ka audio ya Batsi achitaura nebrother yake Passion Java. Asi mukomana Pasho akabva angobuda munyika just a few days after muchato wekwatagwirei. Nyaya yakazosara yotekeshera mumasocial street. Passion Java atodzokera kuAmerica. So the story reads, police have prepared a 4-count criminal docket against prominent cleric Apostle Batsirai Java, accusing him of publishing falsehood prejudicial to the state, bigotry, undermining the authority of the president, and treason. The treason charge arises from allegations that he urged the military overthrow of President Emmerson Mnangagwa. Java, the elder brother of preacher Passion Java, has reportedly been in hiding for several weeks following police raids kumba kwake ku Mount Pleasant uye ku headquarters yake Tabernacles of Grace Church. Information iripo ndeyekuti nyaya yakabatwa nezvetarapi ve Law and Order section under Chief Superintendent Runganga. This docket, titled State vs. Batsirai Java, lists the Apostle's residential address as 11 Cynthia Road, Mount Pleasant, and sets out the 4 charges in apparent preparation to charge the cleric. But developments are kubuda neku Law and Order detectives. They picked up a senior aide to the Apostle together with his secretary last Thursday. Apo vachida kuziva kuti mufundisi ari nechepapi. The inquiry was triggered by the circulation of an audio recording in which an unidentified speaker made a series of claims concerning Zimbabwe's political landscape and the inner workings of the government. Authorities appear to have linked Apostle Java to the recording, despite my previous statements avakaita vachiti vakanga vasirivo vakataura zviri paaudio iyi. The recording spread rapidly across social media and fueled intense political debate over its content, prompting the police investigation. Saka ndosaka mapurisa akazoenda ku Mount Pleasant uye ku Tabernacles of Grace Church kunomeka sure kuti mukomana ariko here vobva vamutora, but vakamushaiwa vaari ikoko. So a leader from the church who declined to be named for fear of reprisal condemned the investigation as a sustained campaign against the church. They raided his home, they raided the house of God, and now they are picking up people around him because they cannot find him. Where is the crime? We believe this is an attempt to intimidate the church. It is satanic agenda. So ndo zviri kubva kuma members echurch vachiti aiwa kumatidarira iko. So kune vasinganyatso understand nyaya iyi. Passion Java ari kunzi akaudza brother yake Batsi zvinhu zvinoitika kuZANU-PF, ari kuti akataura naTagwirei poured his heart out kuna Pasho ndokubva asinga nyaya ndokunoudza Batsi. Apostle Batsi ndobva vaudza this unnamed man. Tichaisa audio yacho kumucheto mugozvinzwira. Muaudio umu muri kutaurwa several ministers vachinzi vari kudhila nezvinodhaka. Pakanemewa Machakaire, he was also named as someone ari kudhila nezvinodhaka. Pakanemewa zvakare mwana wa president uyo anodanana naPokelozve akanzi ari part of drug dealer emunyika. Ndokubva pazoburitswa zvakare structure yemba yaTagwirei kuti pane madrone anoita security. Mune vault rine mari inotyisa negold bars uye nechiya chinoprinta mari yema-US dollars imomo. Pakaburitswa kuti vanodhila sei nemukuru wenyika, pakaburitswa nyaya dzeferuka nedzimwe dzakadaro. So in this audio it was actually very pregnant with a lot of words. Saka ndo pazonzi aiwaka imimi vafundisi since mambosiya zvekufundisa vanhu zvebhaibheri mada kupinda munyaya dzepolitiki ndo patava izvezvi. vazhinji vari kuti igore rekungangorwa ende ukangoita zvedzungu-dzungu aiwa unogona kutongofira mahara. Itai zvaMwari, zvenyika musiyane nazvo, maita vatete. Vazhinji vari kungoti vedu dai mangoregawo Apostle vakakanganisa. Vamwewo vakati zvavakataura wani vakati havasiriwo vane voice riri apa, this is AI generated. Vamwewo ndokuti konai Passion Java sei akabva ngokurumidza kudzokera kumudzimai wangati iye hachadi nezvake, haisiri here nyaya yekutiza mhosva yavanga vaita naApostle Batsi. Regai tingoisa audio yacho kuti zvireruke, kuti musazoende kure kunotsvakana neaudio yeaudio iri pano.
Eko kuchechi uko ndakaona ikumarondera iri kupika zvekuti
ari kupika even kadoma metori west.
God is iruoko rwaMwari runooneka. Munhu anongoita zvinhu zvaMwari ruoko rwakarutadzi kushowa. Runotoshowa chete.
Praise God. Saka ndave ndina passion ka. So he said kuti ndakataura naTagwire. And the first day it was difficult because I had two more people vanga varipo. Saka aitadza kunyastotaura. But once a day before wedding yake ndopa takazonyatsotaura. Saka anza aike mfana ndoda kupawo ma-highlights nema-glimpse because ndimafana vachinozoda kuti va-influence youth. So far I'm a kingmaker system. The first highlight ndakabata and said I'm a kingmaker system. I'm a kingmaker zvekutoti mudhara vantondiconsulta kana vachida kuisa minister zvekuti ndini ndakadismissa Chitando Winston. Even new lawyer iswa naPolite Kambamura small scale miners. And it's my policy. Ndindaisa policy haisi Polite. Ndine mining expansions angu andoda kuita, so they needed that kuti ti-edite EPO bill kuti no ma small scale ese ngabviswe pa-EPO and ngailegalizwe for foreign investors. But if you remember speech yandakambopa ikazopozwa naMutsvangwa yekuti a foreigner cannot open a safe station, a tuck shop, a small scale mine. It's my vision. A foreigner cannot come to space nofana kuitwa nesusu vanhu vatema ma-locals. Saka it was actually my policy ye-mining iyoya. It was my policy. And so I'm a kingmaker. I'm not a kingmaker zvekuti most of my decisions anoitwa naMudhara. They actually come from me. I do my meetings naMudhara about twice a week, twice every week. We discuss economic issues, we discuss political issues and everything. So I am a kingmaker right now. After the president, I am the most powerful person of government, although I'm outside government. And so what we now need Pamberapa is, and the CAP 3 yakatopera. That was the the third highlight. CAP 3 yakatopera is going to be voted by parliament. Then the president will just simply sign on the BS that the president cannot go against the parliament. Parliament is representing people. Yeah, so the president just going to simply sign, and once it's law, pachatanga kuita now a campaign yekuti takuda young leadership more presidium. And that will be the next war. Right now we can't fight wars. We can't fight war dissension yana general, and we can't fight war Cup 3 at the same time.
At the
We have
same
to fight one war at a time. So once we win the war Cup 3, we go for the second war, general. Yeah, because he is proving to be a very, very big problem. We go for general. And so, mukatarisa ndakawina pana Mudhara Isaac Moi. And Mudhara Matanga, I had them 4.
Fired.
I'll win again. Yes, and he used the word 4. And I will have my way again on general. I will have my way. Saka aiti pa mchato umwana wangu mangwana ndo pa mchaona who is a kingmaker in government. The war government is coming here. A war government. Yeah, except the general. But the war government is coming, including Mudhara is coming. Manzi sakaito promisota anyone who wants to do anything in Sorom government who is going to be here. And my ministers and the only office they come kumba kwangu. The only people who I don't call Achuya Kumba is the president, my vice presidents Akiari too. Ndowe gaiwa wandisinga kwanise kuti ndidaidze Achuya Kumba. All other ministers na Sanyatwe na General Sanyatwe. And because I have no, and Nagana Basana, I have no use for him. But all other ministers, including Opa, I host him Bamango. Mutuli Nube to not discuss some financial issues, estate Mumbamango. Yes, I call them all of them. And my Purisa SI, they are on my payroll. Questa ku prisons, ku queso my military generals, they are in my pocket. Do not overenga a few who I don't call. All these generals, I can just, it's just a phone call. All these directors were CIO, it's just a phone call. Even the new justice Mama, it's just a phone call. All my Supreme Court judges, Judge President Vesa, they're just a phone call away. Saka chema passion ajiti I saw power panata kire. Anzi imba yake inenge ine ma drone security mudenga. After every hour kunosumunzwa drone because yakareba 2 kilometers by 2 kilometers iri kuna luna. The whole boundary wall is 2 kilometers long. Anzi saka panenge paine 20 armed security zinenge tichita ma rotations around the house in my AK-47. Tichibvisa vari mu perimeter security vari around the house. Vari ngori mu yard they about 20. Vanhu vanatingatoone vari musango mu yard. Then mukati mune vamwe ane vault mumba. Hanzi is a vault mumba. Vault chairo. Vote Mary gold whatever, it's actually vote simbi. And then a vote jumba. And way to that vote in a biometrics throughout. The way to the vote. And they said Ndinrukurana petroleum yesenyika. Right now in 300,000 liters pamabvuku masasa. In a 300,000 metric tons, sorry, which is about over 300 million liters. The petroleum. The rifle wangu ndi Billy Rutenbach because Billy argumeka $9 per every liter petrol rupina Mzimbabwe. It's too much because
sugar,
and yes. And ndaiti kuna president, yes, 2023, 2018 Billy akakupa $85 million a campaign. Then last campaign akaisa about 50 million akaidzikisa. But mukatasa mari arikuita per month arikuita about 30 to 35 million per month. And it is not fair. but hanzi it seems like bilane hold singaita kudala iye Billy Rutenberg, but hanzi ndiye rival yangu, but hanzi petroleum ndiri kucontrola petroleum Zimbabwe se ndino decide ndiana ne fuel chatwa pumped pipeline or not. Ndini my decisions I say fuel anotova kwandiri ndino rana fuel industry Zimbabwe.
Ya inga simba
hanzi ndiri kurana fuel yese Zimbabwe, I'm the one running it. Saka weekend yes vanhu vanoti yes aita mari weekend dishing cars chichi, but our weekend is very very small compared to me. It's very little. It's an insult to compare him to me. Even Scott Chacha, it's an insult. And it's still insisted with Scott still has more money than Wicknell. And because Scott arkuita 1.5 tons per month. Zari kuburitsa. Saka apanga ari stuck because of Dubai crisis. Saka paiwe yegold ramdhara ndo payawandisa muno. That's why the gold had to be taken to Belarus. And it was my idea. Scott nakatozompa an instruction to follow there. It was my idea. But Scott anoita 1.5 tons per month gold. So Better Brands is making quite some money. Last year, Scott akaburitsa gold 850 million US. 850 million. But this year is surpassing $1 billion because I reach 1.5 tons per month. And so no boys ranguri nemari rori. Tungwarara is now back in order. Tungwarara, I whipped him in order. And I got also Misa in trouble. He had to come and apologize. He had to come and apologize. That's why Dinagato protector Angel. Tungwarara wanted to finish Ubet Angel. But I'm the one who protect. And Zagato Yakachema Pandiri Angel. He actually came and cried. Then I said, it's okay, I'll shoot you. I'm the one who shooted you, Bet Angel. And Dindaka shoot you, Bet Angel. And so, I am the kingmaker. Even my churches, I'm taking my churches one by one. I don't order AFM because I gave them 1 million. ZTC, uyu mtende amdara wangu. I'm taking that one. Even Marangi, I'm taking that one. Marangoti chete, they don't want to see any involvement. Yamachakaire. Then Mudzidzi, I'm taking that one. Zayoja is hard to penetrate, very, very hard. But Makandiwa, Ubet Angel, Magaya, I've taken all those ones because I helped Magaya get a bailout. I helped Ndagano Intercity Unamdarota Amda. I never know Komana. We don't need that. So my church's SDA hands I'm in total control of that one. SDA, I'm in total control of that one. So a youth strategy. I need to get into youth. I need a youth strategy. But passion I go to answer ndakango manager because inini goreri chitanga ndakanzi gorere kungangurwa end. Ndakatoona vakomana vakawanda hanzi kunyanya Wicknell akatobata but I couldn't tell to upgrade that kuti inini zvekunzi ndikampenere mayouth chichi kusvika hondona General Chwenge apera handinoda kumbopindira munyaya idzodzidzi because ndine zvandakatoona zvinotoitika but hanza ndiri kunyeperapo so that guy akabata and the president respects him and listens to him. Akabata hanza akabata zvekuti anana Shoni vaya vanonzi wemfana Shoni uyapano ndomataurira anoita nawo hanzi akanetsana naJunior recent laitoti mfana Junior machances ake ekuti achazoraisa mugovernment akuda kumabvisa manje. He wants to eradicate his chances. Yes, hanzi ndopauri natahanzi
akakona nawai
hanzi are some business deals.
Okay.
Because the Junior ano trade drug ka. Yes, hanzi tagwire hadi zvema drugs. Because mwana wake was once a drug addict. Saka hadi zvema drugs, but Junior ano trade ma drugs. Saka hanzi vakanetsana nenyaya idzodzo. Hanzi ina Machakere ndo pakabva bifrau. Machakere ano trade ma drugs, cocaine. Machakere ano trade cocaine. So hanzi akabata. So pane biggest highlight was now yesterday. He said, Apostle, uyu mkomana uyu hama wanu. Hanzi nangandina angel na makandiwa kumchato.
Seko ku